afternoon, everybody. Today I'm here to talk to you about creating captivating pins that get clicks, specifically how you can use Canva Designer on your web browser to create those pins easily without spending hours and hours of your time doing so. So if you're not familiar with Canva, it's here on the screen right now. It's basically a click and drop design platform where you can create everything you need for social media, brochures, advertisements, like literally anything. It is honestly, in my opinion, the best go-to design app for beginner bloggers and online entrepreneurs. It's what I got started with, and I've actually stuck with it. I've only upgraded to the pro version since then, so it's really served me well, and has served so many other online entrepreneurs as well. So, what I want to do now is show you how easy it is to create a pin using Canva and what you can do to create amazing pins that will get you clicks. There are a couple ways to do this in Canva. You can obviously create your own design using custom dimensions and start completely from scratch, which you can see here. If you're familiar with graphic design and comfortable with it, this is a great way to go. However, if you're not familiar with graphic design, what I love about Canva is they've created pre-made templates, which are free, that you can use to inspire your pin designs. So let's say you are a food blogger. So you would search for food pins, and you get a bunch of ideas here on how you can create your own pins with food in mind. What you would do then is literally you can change the photo to whatever recipe you're promoting from your website. I'm just grabbing a free image from Canva to show you how easy it is to add your own photo. So normally you can just drag and drop and it'll click in, which I'll show you later. The templates that I've personally created actually do that, but it looks like it's not letting me do this with the pre-made template. But you would just drag your photo over it, snap it into place, and then you have your recipe image ready to go. If your brand photos or your brand colors aren't pink, which I'm assuming they probably aren't, you can use any color you want, figure out what you like, what your brand colors are, and go from there. And then you would simply change their preset pin titles to your own title. So this looks like a grilled cheese sandwich. So that is what I'm going to do as my example. A creamy and delicious grilled cheese sandwich. Our top 10 recipes for kids in 2020. So see how easy that is using their templates? This program is amazing. You would just go, but they already populate the title. You want to make sure it says all changes have been saved, and then you would just download it to your computer, and then you can upload it to Pinterest and do your thing. Now, another way you can create pins on Canva is to use pre-made templates that other users have created for bloggers. These are incredibly easy to use and save you so much time. I'm going to use one of mine as an example. So I've created this bundle of pins that you can purchase in my shop. These are specifically made for food bloggers. And what you would get is 7 pin templates that I've designed that aren't the pre-made templates from Canva. And they also use a lot of premium paid stock photos that I pull from my own subscriptions. And you would do the same as you would with Canva's pre-made templates, except these are much easier to work with, in my opinion. We'll use this one as an example. So since I don't have any food photographs, because I'm not a food blogger, I'll just pull one from Canva. We can do like a lunch recipe, just for the heck of it. And we'll do like the chicken salad recipe. So you would upload your photo into the upload section, add it into my template, and literally you just hover it over and it clicks right in. It's so easy. Then you would put in your title here and your website. Like, you have no idea. This saves me so much time. I have so many of these bundles set up for my own blog. I just go through 15 minutes, create 7 pins, get them on Pinterest, and it's done. So this would be chicken avocado salad. And then your website is the www, whatever your domain is.com. If you're not happy with the colors of these templates, you can always change them to whatever you want. Also, what I love about using images that aren't from Canva is that what I love about adding my own images is that Canva suggests colors that are pulled from the image, which usually makes your pins look more unified or consistent. Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. So just play around with it until you find what you like, and then you can add that to Pinterest and see your engagement climb. So the trick to a good pin design is using programs like Canva that make it easy. You don't have to be scared, and using either their free templates or purchasing some premium templates from another seller like me. And we know what gets clicked, so you can trust that these pins are going to work for you.